Hey foodies, James here from Blogging Good Food. Get ready to embark on a journey of tasty weight loss because today I have got a secret recipe involving the most delicious bean soups you have ever tasted. Stick around, you won't believe how enjoyable weight loss can be. Beans, not just your average pantry staple. These little powerhouses are your new best friend when it comes to weight loss. Packed with fiber and protein, they are the unsung heroes of culinary world. Let's dive into the colorful and nutritious world of beans. Brace yourselves for a culinary symphony. Bean soups are not just nutritious, they are a full-blown taste explosion. From black bean chili with a kick to the comforting warmth of white bean and kale soup. These recipes will make your taste buds do the cha-cha. Now, let me show you how easy it is to whip up a bean soup. Effortless cooking with maximum flavor. Because who said healthy cannot be delicious? Let's dive into the magic of these recipes. The best part, it's not just about the ingredients and the process. It's about the savory satisfaction that comes with every spoonful. Bean soups keep you full and fueled, making weight loss a breeze. You are not just losing weight, you are gaining a world of flavor. Before we dive into the kitchen, let's take a quick look at the nutritional powerhouse. That is a bowl of bean soup, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These soups not only taste fantastic, but also contribute to your overall well-being. It's time to see the science behind the deliciousness. Ready to embark on this tasty weight loss journey? Head over to blogginggoodfood.com for these incredible bean soup recipes and more. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's cook our way to a healthier, happier you. Share your favorite bean soup recipes in the comments below, and let's spread the love for healthy, delicious living.